Hey friends, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another cooking video. So as y'all all know, we went to Disney World, had a great time, tried some amazing foods. So I thought I would come home and try to recreate some. Now we all know Chris says you can't recreate it because you're not in the moment, but we tried. And I actually did a practice run and it did really well. So today we're going to make the viral spring cheeseburger rolls. So for that, we need 1 pound of ground beef. We need 1 large chopped onion, which I already have chopped. I didn't need y'all seeing me crying on camera. That's just not something we want to see. So that's ready to go in the pan already. You need some seasoned salt, some Worcestershire or Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of ketchup, a teaspoon of yellow mustard, and it says 1 cup dill pickles chopped. I cheated. I used dill relish. A lot easier. So, you also need 10 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. That's a tongue twister. And then you need some egg roll wraps. Now this says it's going to make 10. On the practice run, it made about that many. I tried to stuff them to make them a little bit bigger, but the stuffing just came out the sides, so we're going to go with 10. So, first thing we need to do is get the onion and the hamburger meat cooked, and so we're going to go put that in the pot and get that cooking. So we have this cooking. It's 1 pound of ground beef, 1 whole white onion, and a teaspoon of seasoned salt. And you just let that brown up, and then you're going to drain the grease. So while that's browning, we're going to get the rest of the mix that goes in the hamburger meat once we drain it. So it's 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Now, when I first saw that, I thought that's going to be gross, but it was not. So, and then you need 1 tablespoon of, or 1 teaspoon of ketchup, or mustard. Let me grab my teaspoon real quick. Shake it all up. See if I can get into this. I've had a hard time getting into it. There we go. Okay. And we're just going to stir that all up. Then we're going to go check on the hamburger meat. So the hamburger meat looks like it's just about done. So we're going to go ahead and strain it. And while I'm doing, we'll come back and I'll show you the rest of the mixture. All the grease drained off, you're going to turn the heat off. You're going to add the 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar. Now, I didn't have sharp cheddar the first time I did this. I used Colby Jack and it turned out just fine. You're going to add 1 cup of chopped dill pickles. Like I said, I use dill pickle relish. And then we're going to use our sauce that we made. Just put that in there. And then we're going to give this a good stir. Let the cheese melt down a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's all melted together, mixed together really good, smells really good. So now we're going to assemble the egg rolls. So you need some egg roll wrappers, it says 10. I found these in the produce department in the refrigerated section. So that's where they are in my local store. So we're not going to use the first one because it's got a big rip in it. So we'll just set that one to the side. I probably cut it when I was cutting open the package. So you're going to put it in a diamond on the plate. You also need a cup of, or a little bit of water that helps seal it. Now, when I first did this the first time, I'm not good, so I didn't have it all tucked up under and everything like that. You just put a little bit in the middle, and I promise I washed my hands, so put a little bit up in the middle. We're gonna take the sides, fold it over like a little blanket, tuck it in there like that. Get your water, just do like a little V, and that seals it so that it doesn't, and then you got a little egg roll. And like I said, the first time I did this, I tried to stuff them because they were a little small. But they're very filling. I can only eat about 2 of them. I'm going to finish filling these, and when we come back, I'll show you. There's actually 2 ways you can cook these. You can deep fry them. I tried that, and I burned my fingers, and to me, they weren't as good. Or you can put them in the air fryer, so we're going to try the air fryer again. They turned out crispier, in my opinion. So I'm going to fill these, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got all the egg rolls wrapped. Not too bad. We did get about 13 of them out of there, so you can make them bigger, smaller, however you like. We're going to air fry these. To air fry them, you want to preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees, and you want to cook these about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. It also tells you to spray them with a little bit of spray grease to help make them crispy. So we're going to spray them, put them in the air fryer, and we'll be right back. So while the egg rolls are cooking, we're going to be making the secret sauce that comes with them. So first thing you need is a half a cup of mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise you like. I was worried Chris wouldn't like it because he's more of a Miracle Whip person. You need 1 tablespoon of ketchup. You need 1 tablespoon of yellow or Dijon mustard. We're using Hickory Farms sweet hot mustard because I didn't have Dijon mustard. Then you need 1 tablespoon of finely chopped dill pickles or dill pickle relish. And then you need 1 teaspoon of pickle juice. You want to make it extra pickly. Okay. You need half a teaspoon, and I have to go get my half a teaspoon. So you need half a teaspoon of onion powder. Onion powder. Keep that off. Okay. And half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a pinch. And the recipe says a pinch. Believe it or not, I have a measuring spoon that has a pinch on it. So, a pinch of, it calls for smoked paprika. I don't have smoked paprika, so we're just going to use regular. And just a pinch. Now, I'm sure if you like onion powder, garlic powder, or any of that. You can add more to your liking. And just give that all a mix. And it actually does look like the secret sauce. Now, these are supposed to taste like Big Macs from McDonald's. And I can tell you that they do. And this would be the Big Mac sauce. So, while the rest of the egg rolls are cooking, you're going to want this to chill in the refrigerator for a few minutes. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator. We're going to finish cooking the egg rolls, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got the first 4 out, and we've got our secret sauce, and we're going to pull Chris in and make him test try. So, side note, make sure your egg roll wrappers stay cold. When I did the practice run, I did everything really quickly. Everything was cold. Doing it through a video, I had the wrappers sitting out a little longer than they should have. And the wrappers tend to tear when they get warm. So make sure your wrappers stay cold. That way they're not sticking to the air fryer and they're not tearing apart when you're trying to put them in the air fryer. So we were able to get 4. Like I said, my practice run went really good. But it wouldn't be a cooking video if I didn't have mess ups. So we're going to wait for Chris and we're going to try these because they smell really good. All right, so we have Disney's cheeseburger spring rolls.
Why do I always have to be the test dummy for your cooking videos?
Well, you liked them the first time.
Of course. Of course I did. Delicious. Yum. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
We did let the secret sauce chill for a little while, and we've got the egg rolls ready, so...
All right, so these egg rolls are supposed to taste, and when we had them at Disney, they absolutely tasted like Big Mac. So you do have to be a fan of McDonald's to eat these. If you don't like the taste of McDonald's, you're not going to like these cheeseburger spring rolls, because for a fact, that's exactly what they taste like. Okay, she wasn't kidding about that part. But they are nice and crispy, and I'm going to taste it without some sauce first. And exactly, it tastes like a Big Mac. And the sauce is a secret sauce they put on the burger. Which, you saw her make it. It's not really that big of a secret.
No. We won't double dip. I'll break it in half so we're not double dipping.
Yes, it's not double dipping around. I don't know where you've been, so... You're so weird. It's just her and I, but let's not double dip the sauce.
I don't know. I like them. I think they're really good. I've talked about them at work, and everybody wants me to make them and bring them to work now. So.
That mouthful of food. All right, so I would definitely call that a success.
Mm-hmm.
They taste exactly how they're supposed to taste. Do they taste like the ones that we had at Disney World? Of course they don't. We're not at Disney World. I will die on that hill.
We are not walking down Main Street staring at the castle eating them.
Food does not taste as good if you're not in the place the food comes from. Atmosphere has a lot to do with it. But I will say that the flavor profile and everything is on point for what they're supposed to taste like. We're just missing the atmosphere.
Yes.
So maybe if you go put on a Mickey Mouse costume, which I'm sure you own somewhere.
Actually, I don't.
Yeah, she does. And you do like them, whoo, and do that kind of stuff next to me while I eat them. Okay, and spray me with Main Street bakery smells. Maybe I'll feel more at home.
Maybe.
So, all right. Good, delicious. It's all you.
All right, guys. So he says they are a success, except for not being on Main Street. So that's a good thing. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. If you have any cooking videos you'd like to see or see me attempt to do, because, you know, I seem to have a problem with all of my videos, but I have fun making them. So if y'all do have a dish you'd like me to try, definitely put it in the comments. Hope y'all have had a great day and a great rest of your week.
Comment baked Alaska. Baked Alaska. Demand it in the comments.
I don't know about baked Alaska, but I don't know. I saw one recipe that said it took 14 hours, but then I've seen other ones where you do a lot of cheating, and so maybe we'll try that one. But hope you have enjoyed today's video. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and like always, we'll see you out on the high seas.